Hello and welcome to Furniture Nation. Today I want to show you the baby Belfast unit from our traditional range. As with all the other ranges, it's made from solid pine throughout, including the backs and the bases. And this particular one is designed to house a baby Belfast armatured shank sink, which is 460 wide by 210 high. I'll show you inside. So, we've got 21mm thick doors within a 21mm thick frame, and the bases on the sides are 18mm thick, and the back is 9mm tongue and groove. There is a service void which we put in as standard on the backs of 70mm. This enables you to be able to move the back to allow for pipe work and then fit it back from the inside. Thank you.